Hello guys, welcome to your Mark online classes. Today we will discuss and now the beautiful topic that is trigonometry. First of all, trigonometry, just let us define that what is trigonometry. Actually these words are derived from a Greek word, from the three Greek words, that is tri, gono and metron. Okay, tri means three, gona means sides, and metron means measurement. Okay, uh, what we see that it is the relation between the three sides of a triangle. That is, it is actually the relationship between the sides of a triangle. Okay, but it is not confined to a very small study. Actually, it is what? It is it is the branch of mathematics which deals with the relationship relationship between the angles and sides of a triangle. Okay, it is what? It is a branch of mathematics which deals with the relationship between the angles and sides of a triangle. Okay, yeah, but for our lower classes, trigonometry study is confined to a right angle triangle. Means in lower classes, our trigonometry study is confined to a right triangle. What is right triangle? The triangle in which at least one angle is, sorry, only one angle is 90 degree, because not more than two angles can be 90 degree. One angle must be 90 degree. In lower classes, that is in our 10th class, we will confine our trigonometry study to a right triangle. Okay, so there are mathematical terms, that is what? First one is sine. Actually sine is sinus we call, but in short form we write sine. So it is, if we take this angle as theta, it can be any angle, 45, 35, 30, anything. So then the side that is opposite to that angle, that is always called perpendicular. What we call? Perpendicular. And this is called base, and this is called hypotenuse. Okay, always just remember that the angle just opposite to a side, this side will be perpendicular. Okay, अच्छा, for example, if we take this as a theta, so this will become the perpendicular and this will become the base. Okay, hypotenuse does not changes, it will remain as in a same triangle. Okay, so what is sine? Sine is the ratio of perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Are you getting? Yes. What is cos? Cos is base upon hypotenuse. Okay. What is tan? It is called tangent. It is perpendicular upon base. Okay. Are you getting or not? Sin theta, sorry, sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. Okay. For example, take an example, you will get my point. For example, there is a triangle that is 90 degree, that is that is theta, and that is 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3 meter, 4 meter, 5 meter. So if it is question that find the sin theta, sin theta is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is 3 by 5. Your answer will be 3 by 5. If you are asked about cos theta is what? Base upon hypotenuse, that is answer is 4 by 5. If you have asked about the tan theta is what? Perpendicular upon base, that is 3 by 4. I think you all are getting my point. Okay. Also, there is a mathematical term also, that is the inverse of these all three. First one, the inverse of sine theta is called cosec theta. The inverse of cos theta, that is called sec theta. Third one, the inverse of tan theta is cot theta. Okay. Yeah, these are total 6 mathematical terms related to the trigonometry, and they also have special ratios in a particular angle. Okay, so guys, it was the introductive para of trigonometry. If you want to learn something more about trigonometry, just keep watching and keep studying. Okay, see you.